Hi. For a long time, nothing was coming. I don't know why. Probably because I have already spoken more than what is required. Talking about nothing for 25, 26 videos itself is really great. So I am patting on my back. But today, I heard somebody talking about consciousness, awareness, pure consciousness, and all those. I never talked about that so far. So I thought I will put my own my own bullshit into this consciousness business. No, I really mean it has become a big business now. Consciousness, pure consciousness, awareness, polluted awareness. I don't know. So many words these people are using, and many people are making money out of that. So I thought, I should put the things straight. What is consciousness? Consciousness means there is somebody or something who is conscious, and is there and there is somebody or something about which the other entity is conscious of. Simple. There is one entity who is conscious, and there is something or somebody about which first entity is conscious of. This is basic, na? Whether it is physical consciousness or mental consciousness or spiritual consciousness or extra bodily experiences, or liberation or experience after liberation or experience after realization or satori or whatever. There should be two. Somebody who is conscious of, and something about which this entity is conscious of. So, without two aspects, duality, consciousness cannot happen. Whether it is pure consciousness or diluted consciousness or high consciousness or whatever consciousness. Consciousness implies duality. At least two should be there. But is there really two? And there should be time and space also. There should be two entities, somebody who is conscious and something about which the first entity is conscious of. So there should be time, there should be space, there should be matter. Then only this can happen. Otherwise, it cannot happen. If there is no time, if there is no space, if there is no matter, if there is no mind, if there is no body, consciousness cannot happen. This consciousness business is a big fraud, my dear. This I can explain through my metaphor of prison. What is that prison? That prison is made up of 4 walls: time, space, memory, imagination. 4 walls. On top of that 4 walls, you have created an I. And that I is not real. It's only a mental picture. You were and you are and you will continue to be in a state of unknowing. You don't know anything. You are not experiencing anything. You are not sensing anything. You are not seeing anything. There is nothing out there. There is nothing inside there. This is the situation. So, in order to, convert this state of unknowing, you created an I to know what is happening. And in that world, only you are there. There is nobody else. Your world, nobody knows. Even in one of my previous videos, I have told. We are not living in a common world. Your world is different, my world is different. You cannot know in which world I am living. Each fellow is having his own world. There is no common world. There is no common nothing. There is no diet, riot, there is no time, no space. So, you were again I am telling you, there is nothing, there is no time, there is no space, there is no you, there is no me. My only provocation, or rather my only purpose, is to bust this, consciousness business. There is a conscious TV, there is consciousness. So many, highly educated people are talking about consciousness. There is no consciousness. So let us come back. So you are always in a state of unknowing. Even now you are in a state of unknowing. And you will continue to be in a state of unknowing. You were never born, you are never living, you will never die. This is the fact. Then where is the question of consciousness? Anyway, so let me complete logically in your own language. So what we have done is, in order to understand, in order to know, again apple theory, Bible, they were happily living, Adam and Noah. God said, no, don't eat that knowledge of apple of knowledge. But we people, we will not be happy. Whatever you say don't do, we will do. So you wanted knowledge. So to know how you will know, because you will have to be there now. Everything is you only. There is no other reality other than you. Without you, how can you talk about reality? Everything is you only. So you tell me, how can you talk about reality? without you. Everything is you. There is nothing else. I am repeating, everything is you. There is nothing else. You tell me something without you. You tell me something about something without you. Impossible. So, to know, so that means everything is you only. The whole world, universe, Big Bang, galaxy, Nobel Prize, everything is you only. Without you, you tell me a Nobel Prize winner. Only you can tell me about a Nobel Prize winner. Without you, tell me a solar system. Only you can tell. Without you, nothing is there. So the starting Big Bang and everything is you only. There is nothing else. You only created the world. And how did you create this you? That is the beautiful part of it. You wanted to know knowledge. You wanted knowledge. So to know, there should be a knower and knowledge. So you created an I inside of this body. So this body will have to exist somewhere, space, time, everything, 10,000 things. So where is this consciousness? Already I have told you, all sensations are only, this again is a story. I am using your own scientific knowledge. For me, there is no scientific knowledge, there is no you, there is no me, there is nothing. Okay? So, when I saw people making money out of consciousness business, I am prompted to talk. That's all. Nothing more than that. I don't think you will understand. I don't have any agenda. I don't have any. So, when there is no you inside this body, where is this consciousness taking place? According to you, you are a body mind with the consciousness and Atma, Paramatma, spirit and all those things. Perfectly all right. But if you are already in unknowing, if you don't know anything, you may be feeling why I am telling this. Because your body is made up of hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, potassium, calcium, calcium and all those things. How can nitrogen know something? How can nitrogen sit, how can consciousness sit in nitrogen? How can consciousness sit in oxygen? How can consciousness sit in phosphorus, potassium, calcium? It's your own science. I am not claiming anything. Your entire body is hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, potassium, calcium. How can consciousness sit in that? Can consciousness sit on oxygen atoms or hydrogen atoms? And atoms are vacuum space, you know that. Oh my God. So this consciousness is also a fad. Everything is fad. There is no you, there is no me, there is no time, there is no space, there is no dyad, there is no triad, there is no free will and choice. Then you may ask what to do. Just live. Enjoy. Don't hurt anybody. Help whoever comes to you. Help whoever comes to you. You need not to change the world. There is no world. There is only you. The whole world is created by you. If you are unhappy, or if you feel it is unfair, or if you see any negative in the world, that means your mind is negative. It is as simple as that. Be positive. Just enjoy. Go on your life. Don't have any idea. Don't have any agenda. Don't use anybody. Just go on. If you get a chance, you help. Otherwise, keep quiet. The best thing is not to do anything. Just sit, that's all. If you can afford. Otherwise, you work and go on, spreading love. Unrestricted. You should not love. And not only for your wife, your children, your country, your caste, Go on loving everybody. Or don't love anybody. Both are okay. Okay, bye.